Hi, have you ever worked on a video only to have finished up and feeling that maybe a bit of background music would brighten things up a bit or tie everything nicely together? There's plenty of places to get music from online. Some are free, some you have to pay for. We all know what happens if you don't use royalty-free music in our music videos. Luckily, there's a great resource that most people don't know about or overlook when it comes to royalty-free music. YouTube itself. That's right, YouTube has a massive selection of background music and sound effects, and I'll show you how you can download it so you can better edit it with your videos. First, open up a browser and go to YouTube. Sign in if you're not already and go to your channel page by clicking on your account icon and then clicking on your channel. Next, click the Customize Channel button and then Video Manager. And this is the new YouTube Studio Beta Edition. So what you have to do is go towards the Other Features tab on the left hand menu and then hover over it to see the submenu and select the audio library. Here you can see a selection of free music and sound effects, which you can listen to and download for use in your own videos. You can search for specific types if you'd like, and once you're happy, just click on the download button and then save it to your hard drive. So when you click on the download button, you'll be prompted to where you want it to save to. Now some of these will have conditions attached to it, which you can see by clicking on them. So in this case, you need to have an attribution and specify what's shown here in your description, and you're good to go. So there you have it, a free collection of music from YouTube itself. Hope you found it useful. If so, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And if you have any suggestions for videos or improvements, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.